Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing something epic. We are going to be starting with a dog, trading it for better stuff to see if we get something really good. Okay, so let's go ahead. We're going to keep trading this dog over to get better stuff. We're going to have to save up money to get new eggs, like that, a lot of stuff. It's going to be really hard, but I hope this is a good server. I did try to get into a what's it called, rich server, but it didn't work. Now we're gonna go downtown. We're going down to town. We're going down to town. We're gonna get a gift really fast. See what we're gonna get today. Drop pets. Pet, you can stay there. Okay, come on, let's see. I feel like I have room for one more. Going to play this. Go get it. Let's get one. Let's open it again. I have one more. I can buy one more too. Shake, shake, shake. Now let's buy one last one. Yeah, I can't have any more. I'm not that rich and adopt me. Chew toy. Chew toy. Why are you not playing with your chew toy? I don't like your chew toy that I'd spend like $1 million on. Okay, now let's go. Please be a good person. Please. We're gonna also add a few more stuff. If this doesn't work, we have to add a few things. Except, please, please, please. No, thank you. Bro, there's some, I wanna ask her so I could take trade. I wanna see if they're rich or not. Rich or not. Please, I need someone straight. I just saw. Bruh, everyone's in a trade. Like a trade. Thing is okay. Anything is okay. Just please, anything is okay. That could actually work. Wait, that's legendary. Does he even know? Does he know that's legendary? Look. Oh my god, I just got a legendary thing. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Oh my god, this is a really good one. Could have told. Oh, he already has one. Okay, let's go just trade. Please say yes. Just look at it. But I have to go get my license. I'll just do it really fast and come back. Oh guys, so I went and got my license. Like it's only been like 3 minutes into the video and I already got a legendary item. Wait, let's see. Trading legendary pets. Legendary pets. Okay, trading legendary pet. Please, this girl. Yes. Bro, it's legendary. Check. It's legendary. Check it's please. Please, I don't want it. Come on, man. Oh, she's that looks cute. That looks cute. That's summer trade. I wanna go think I could buy something from the thingy. Those thingy. I forgot what it was. We're gonna do no, I don't wanna make a race. I hate the trades. I hate the rice. We're gonna go get gingerbread. We're gonna buy something from the Loki. I don't know where I'm going with this bad. I don't think I'm following the good trail. But I don't wanna. It's time for your school. I don't think pets are allowed to go to school, so no. Why do you like to go to school? I don't even like to go to school. I'm a real human that actually goes to school, not just adopt me school. I feel like adopt me schools will be good. I don't know why. Bam, bam, bam. I missed the gingerbread. I have to be rich, so I have to get that gingerbread. Almost there, right there. I missed like all of this part, so I'm gonna go get this. And let's see what she said. Who let the penguins out? Who? Yeah, who? Who actually? Who? Wait. Oi is sliding on. My name is not Oi. Can't see. Why would you do that? I'm telling my mom. I think your mom left for the milk. Why would you do that? I'm telling my mom. Oh, I think your parents both left for the milk. Boom. No, her parents sent her for adoption. How does she have parents? I think I collected them all. Let's go and get them. Yeah, I got a lot. Let's go buy something. I think I'll have. Okay, let's just go. I think I'll buy something. Pet. You're so mean. I'm so mad at you. Oh, where's the place? Where do we go? My phone again. Literally right here. Okay, time to borrow my phone. So annoying. What kind of pet should I buy? No, that's not it. It's actually cute. This penguin. Well, I could buy this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. Wow, why does everything cost Robux? Snow monkey. Oh. I saw people doing the snow monkey thing. I was like at a trivia. Trivia, is that how we say it? Yeah, I was out there, and then one of them said that what's the newest animal? Like that. But what was I gonna buy again? I forgot. Oh yeah, this one. Either I get something good or bad. So let's go and get some money from it. Coins from it. Okay, let's go. See what we can get. But why am I going here? Let's see what we can go and get. Just please I get something good. Like, I need to get something good from that box. Okay, let's view it. You're invited. Selling, trading for ghost wolves. Selling, trading 6 eggnog dogs. Accept. Oh, what was she? What is she saying? Eggnog dogs? Eggnog? Eggs? Dogs? What? I forgot. Let's just go there. Maybe I can find something I could trade for my elephant. I don't know, like it. Oh, it's legendary, but like it's not my type. It's ugly. its leg is not even connected to it. It's not even connected to its body. Look. So it's just like, oh, it's right here. Yes, that's the idea. Please don't be for money. Please. Show me your pets. Show me your pets. Show me your pets. Okay. Mine is legendary by the way. Mine is legendary by the way. Ultra rare, uncommon, rare, uncommon, common. Okay. It's a good offer. It's actually a good offer. Mine is actually legendary, so this is actually good. Look, want to buy a trade. I don't have much money. I don't have much money. I don't have much money. I will get one of everything. I'll get one of everything. That'll be like one of everything. I will get one of everything. Okay. Please say yes. We're just gonna skip the trade. Hey guys, so we agreed for this. I don't think if he agreed, but that's what I told him I need. Fair. Bro, literally, I'm not gonna make anything but a happy thing. I know where I'm going, but let's say no. Let's go back. Oh guys, so that was the end of the video. All I got from that was this. I'll see you guys in another Adopt Me video or another of my video. Bye bye.